Okay, so in this problem, we want to look at the region bounded by the lines by the line y equal x and y equals square root of x, and we want to revolve it around x equal 2. So it's a different vertical line. It's not the y-axis. Okay, so y equal x and y equals square root of x, they intersect where? If you set these equal to 0, you're going to see they intersect where? At 0 and 1. But now we want to revolve this around x equal 2. Okay, so we're going about this line here. And what are you going to get when you revolve it? Let's see. You're going to get something that looks like that. This is shifted over there, and then you have that for the square root, and you end up getting something that looks like this. Okay, not a hot drawing, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so now we want to calculate, again, if you take a disk on the inside of here, it's going to look something like that. We have an outer radius and an inner radius, right? Okay, so what is the outer radius? There's your outer radius right there. Okay, sorry, there's a lot of lines here. The outer radius is what? It's this. Now remember, we're revolving around a vertical line, so rather than look at y as a function of x like we have here, let's do it the other way around. Let's think of x as a function of y. So that's simply y equal x is, of course, x equal y. And here, if we want to think of x as a function of y, it's x equal y squared, right? This is this parabola here, x equal y squared. Okay, so what is the outer radius going to be then? It's the distance from this parabola to the line x equal 2. So the parabola is y squared, and then minus 2 quantity squared. Okay, and how about then the inner radius? The inner radius is this piece right here, is this distance. So it's the distance between the line y equal x, or in this case x equal y, and x equal 2. So what's that going to be? That's going to be y minus 2. So the volume is pi times the radius squared. And so we're going to have y squared minus 2 quantity squared minus y minus 2 quantity squared dy. And what are we integrating from? Where do they intersect on the y-axis here? This is what, 1. So we're integrating from 0 to 1. Okay, and again, I'm not going to actually solve this integral all the way through. You can do it yourself. You really should do it yourself. And if you have any questions on it, you can ask me in class.